Want to set your own photo widgets in iPhone home screen? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, tap and hold anywhere on the home screen. Now you will find the edit option, tap on that. Here, you have the option of add widgets, select that. Now you will have the option of photos. Go ahead and select that. Swipe until you get the option of album. Now tap on add widget. Next, you want to tap on the photo album. Now select choose. From here, you want to select whichever album you want. After that, head back. Now you can adjust this however you want. You can make this bigger in this way. Then tap on the done option once you're happy with this. As you can see, with these easy steps, you have set your own photo widgets in iPhone home screen. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.